Hello, how are you?
I am doing fine. Thank you. How about you?
Good, good. I'm great. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sasikala. How about you?
My name is Finn. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from India. How about you?
Nice. I come from Ireland, but I'm living now in Bali, in Indonesia.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Good, good. What part of India are you from?
I am from South India.
South India. Okay.
Yes.
What is the name?
Yeah, Andhra Pradesh state.
Okay, I'm not familiar with all the places in
Okay.
India. I'm
Okay.
hoping to travel there
Oh.
maybe next year,
Oh.
whenever it is
Come here.
possible again.
Yes. This year not possible.
Yeah, hopefully next year.
Yes. Wait. Why you are
Yeah.
coming here? You have
So,
work here, job.
sorry.
Why are you coming here in India?
Uh so I want to travel India.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
You have to visit.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. I can't wait. Thank
Yeah, it
you.
is the most beautiful country, and today is the our nation, my nation, Independence Day. It is
Oh,
August 15th.
so today is like a celebration for you?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay,
All over
so
India is celebrating today.
so what kind of traditions do you have to celebrate today?
Okay, because today is not much celebrations because of it's Corona time. Already you know. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So every people is celebrating at home, their home.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And is it like a day no work and no school on this day?
Yes, yes. Don't have schools since uh 5 6 months from.
Oh, because yeah,
Yes, yeah,
yeah, because of the
yeah,
pandemic.
yeah.
But so normally,
Yeah,
oh,
yes. Normally, schools and colleges everywhere celebrating this Independence Day with the flag hoisting
I
and
see.
speeches.
Yeah,
This,
and is there
yes,
normally like a parade or anything like this?
yes,
What is there normally like a parade or some kind of a party
yes.
and celebration?
No, no, no parties, only flag hoisting, and everyone will telling about sacrifice of uh, leaders like that.
Okay.
Then everyone go to their homes and celebrating.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
what happened on this day before? It is the day that India became
yes,
independent.
yes, independent from British ruling. You are
Hello?
hearing my voice? Hello,
Hello.
hello.
Hello. I'm so sorry about that.
It's bad connection.
Yes, I apologize. I think the problem was
It's okay.
with my Wi-Fi.
Okay.
It's very busy time to be using the Wi-Fi, so there
Okay.
is
What is the
competition.
time there?
In Indonesia at the moment, the time is 6:30 p.m.
Okay, evening time.
Yeah. What about for you?
Is the 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Okay, good, good. And
Okay.
so are you and your family doing anything special today for
Yes.
Independence Day?
Yes. I teach children how to get independence from British today. And it
Uh-huh.
is the 24th Independence Day.
What was it?
74th Independence Day.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Good.
Okay, okay.
Can you tell me
Okay.
about? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell me about you?
Uh,
What is your profession
me.
and your work? Yes.
So I'm 26 years old and I come from Ireland. I'm living now in Bali in Indonesia. I went to university and studied business marketing,
Okay.
and I was working in marketing for 2 years, and then I have been teaching English both online and in a classroom for another two
Oh,
years. Um, some of my hobbies include reading, cooking, vegetarian food,
oh,
practicing yoga, traveling, listening to
oh,
music, exercising, and I love to be in nature.
oh. You are
Yeah.
doing yoga?
Yeah, only beginner, but
Okay.
I love to practice yoga. What about you?
Yeah. I am doing also yoga sometimes. I am getting more
Ah.
weight after my delivery.
Yes, yes, it's so good. Makes me feel amazing when I practice yoga.
Yes. Okay. You are doing work?
I work online as an English teacher, and I also do some online marketing, like social
Okay.
media kind of work. But
Okay.
at the moment, I am doing more teaching English because due to the pandemic, there is a lot of work for teaching English and not so much
Okay.
marketing work. But I'm just grateful to be able to work during this
Yeah.
time.
Okay. You are a singer?
Pardon?
You are singer?
Singer? No, 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 no. I cannot sing. I just like to listen.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. What about you?
Okay.
What are some of your interests and hobbies?
Yes, my hobbies is reading books and listening music.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
Nice.
spend time with books and Bible. I reading Bible.
Yeah. Good, good. What kind of books do
Yeah.
you like to read?
Uh, National books and Bible books, stories,
Good.
children's stories. I
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. Awesome. And how
Okay.
long have you been learning to speak English?
Mostly I studied BTech in engineering, electrical department.
So what did you say?
I studied engineering.
Okay. So my question was, how long have you been learning to speak English?
Okay, 4 years.
4 years.
In Cambly, just 3 weeks back.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. And you said
About 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Yeah. And
Yeah.
did you teach yourself how to speak English, or did you learn
Yes,
online?
I want to speak. I want to speak public.
Public? What do you
So
mean?
yeah, I want to speak mm, children's to learn English. I want to give some advices to
Mm,
children's how to they practice English,
yes, yes.
make sentence. So that's why I'm learning from like native speakers.
Yeah, yeah.
So give me some advices and I upload videos in YouTube too. My videos.
You upload videos
Yes, these videos.
of how to
These
speak
videos.
English, or just about your life, or what?
Yes, my yes.
So what kind of videos do you put on YouTube?
Yeah, I upload in YouTube some of useful and my students watch these videos.
Good,
They
good.
learn. They learn
Yeah.
from us.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Thank, thank.
um
So give me some advices how
uh,
to develop English.
yeah, I think practice is the most important. You need to be
Okay.
practicing every day.
Okay.
I would encourage you to make some small changes to your life. So, for example,
Okay.
maybe watching a movie in English. If
Okay.
you have a mobile phone, maybe change the language on your mobile phone to English so you become
Yes.
familiar with the words. If you can have a conversation in English, like in a person, like a family member or online, I definitely encourage this as much as possible.
Yes.
Podcasts and movies are
Okay.
very important also, and music. You just need to
Okay.
incorporate the language into your life in all
Okay.
aspects as much as possible.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, the best way to learn something is to teach somebody else. So
Yes.
I think you making these YouTube videos, I
Yes.
definitely think this is an amazing idea
Thank
because
you.
you will never forget something that you teach. That is what I
Yes.
always say. So if you can continue on this path you are on at the moment, I have a lot of confidence in you. I think you will do great. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And
Yeah.
how do I build up my grammar?
So for grammar, I'm going to recommend you a website. I will
Okay.
send you a link now. You can take a look after the class. So I sent you a message. This
Okay.
website I think is very useful. There is many articles and new vocabulary on. It's a daily news website for the English language. So you can choose
Okay.
any kind of topic that you want to focus on. You search for this
Okay.
topic. You can choose intermediate or advanced level if you want to
Okay.
challenge yourself. And then you can find an article with some vocabulary, an article about the topic, so you
Okay.
can practice your reading. And then there are some discussion questions at the bottom. And these can be really good to do sometimes during a Cambly class also, or
Okay.
in your free time. And then if you have any questions, you can come to the Cambly class and ask the teacher
Yes.
to explain something or, revise something with you. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And vocabulary?
Vocabulary you will get on this website also. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There is some vocabulary at the beginning of every article. There is some vocabulary
Okay.
about the topic. So I would
Okay.
recommend you to choose a topic that maybe you do not know a lot of vocabulary about. Search for this, and then you can challenge yourself to learn something new this way.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
no problem, no problem.
Okay. Tell me about something about English.
What do you want to know?
Yeah. Sentence formation and verbs.
Um, well, what is your question?
Okay, right. I will repeat again. When you use verbs in sentence,
Yeah.
in starting, in middle, or end.
So in a sentence, you use the verbs to either